Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that bell for more videos. Today we're making PotaOat Griddlers. First you're going to wash and clean 6 large Yukon gold potatoes and boil them for about 20 minutes. And then you're going to test it to see if it's done. It should be parboiled. Then you're going to run cold water over top of them, just so that you can handle them. Rinse it and repeat the cold water process. Then you're going to use a grater or a food processor with a grating tool, and you're going to cut your potatoes lengthwise in half so you can fit them in your processor, and then you're going to go ahead and start grating. You're going to grate them up, put them in a large bowl. Then with 2 cups of oats, whole oats, you're going to put them in a blender, and you're going to make an oat flour. This is what the flour should look like. You're going to go ahead and put those into your potatoes, and then we're going to go ahead and add seasonings. Here's the seasonings we're going to be using today: black pepper, onion, garlic, and parsley. We're going to use 1 teaspoon of the onion powder. Then we're going to use a half a teaspoon of the black pepper. And then we're going to use 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. And last but not least, here's my fresh parsley. Don't forget to hit and see that video. We did 1 teaspoon of parsley. Mix that up with a fork really well, and then after that you're going to knead it. You're going to knead that for about 3 minutes. Make a nice big ball, and then you're going to get your panini press or your griddler, and you're going to go ahead and heat that up on a medium-high heat in a dry grill. And you're going to go ahead and make patties out of them. You shape them like you would a hamburger patty or a meatless burger patty, and you're going to go ahead and put them on your press, and you're going to cook those for about 8 minutes. You can use a spatula and a little butter knife to get them out. They come out nice, and you're all done. They make about 12, by the way, and you can serve them plain. You could cut, here's a picture, but it looks like cut in half. This is what the insides look like. Delicious. There, you could put ketchup on it, and you can hold it nicely in your hand. You can even fold them and put a filling inside, whatever you want to do. But you can have the ketchup on it, and you could even have it plain. What horses keep late hours? Nightmares.